welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about the calendar and time control. As we know, we have created the same calendar and time control, but we have to scroll through the button. Uh, if you remember, uh, let me show you. Previously, I have created like uh, if there is a button, when you click on the button it will scroll. Now I have created with the fingertip. You can scroll with the fingertip, there is no button. Okay, it will be very easy to use. So it is very easy than the previous one. So I come up with the this uh, this control. So let's begin. So first we will create a template. Okay, so the design, so there is only small UI. There it is a label for the week and the date for label for the date. Okay, this is calendar control, and this is a time control to show the time. Okay, I'll keep the time which have half an hour interval. You can keep as you want. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the calendar template. First you have to take a grid control, and in which you have to add the label for the week name and the date. Okay, and after that you have to create a control for the time template. uh, then add grid, in the grid add the label. Okay, and this is the class. Okay, for the calendar view you have to take three property for the week name, date and dt. As you can see, I have assigned this week name and date in the calendar tab. Okay, and these both are string. Okay, and we also want date time to if we want only month or time when you select the date, so you have to take date time property, and in time you have to take only string time, or you can also take date time or time span, but I have taken string. You can modify as your requirement. Okay, and then I have created a method get date. I want to show between after the 3 days to 30 days. Okay, so I have added 3 days in the 2 days date and the 30 days in the 30 days. If you don't want, you want continuous, then at least you have to keep a start date or end date. You can add for 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. Okay, so you can keep here start date and end date. Use a for loop and add all the date in the calendar view uh, class. Okay, assign all value in the property of the calendar view model class. Okay, then add that class in the list. This list is the list of the calendar view model, and in the string I want day of week name, so I have taken date dot day of week. I want substring of 3 letters, so I have taken 0 to 3. Okay, this is done for the date for the calendar template. This is the morning time. I have added static. Okay, this is afternoon time, and this is the night time. Okay, uh, don't worry, all the code is available in this link, so I will share this link. You can copy this code from this link. We will go to the main code where you are to implement this UI. So I will show calendar and time control in the same page. Okay, means it will look like this. Okay, so you have to implement, you can use only this calendar control in the page where you want. Okay, for I have taken frame. Okay, I will share first so you can understand. Okay, this is the frame. I have taken frame. Under the frame I have added label to show the month. Okay, then this is a collection view. Collection view having linear item horizontal, so it will move, it will show in horizontal way. And added the calendar template that we have created in the item template in the data template. Okay, for this morning I have created same. I have added frame. In the frame there is the grid. In the grid there I have added label for morning and collection view. The same property I have assigned for what I have assigned in the upper collection view. Selection mode will be single because we want only one time will be selected at a time. Okay. Then this okay, there are two rows, so it will come in the first row and it will come in the second row. Okay, linear item layout will be horizontal and here time template is assigned. Same for afternoon. No changes, only label name and collection view name is changed. Okay, there is nothing changed in the code. We have taken just copy and paste, just rename the collection view name and the label text. Okay, let's see the code. First, I don't think this is necessary because we have already implemented there. So okay, this is for July 20 to show the month. Okay, and this is the list I have taken for the morning, afternoon and evening, and get all the data from the classes we have created in the calendar view model. Okay, populate all the list from the method we have created. In the constructor, assign a value in the label for the month dash year. Here you can assign, you can get here, if you write M, you will get all the hints here, so you don't have to worry what to write here. You can say M means minute, capital M means month, day, capital M small mm means minute for 2 digit, capital mm means month of 2 digit, means in the numeric form. Okay, I have taken M, month of abbreviated, and for M means full month. Okay, same for year. Assign item source for all the calendar morning, afternoon, evening from the method we have created. Okay, this skip this. This is not this we don't have to use. This is for the button we have used in the earlier video. This is the morning, means we have morning, afternoon and evening section. So I want only one date to be selected from the morning or afternoon or evening. I want from the whole day only one time should be selected. If someone select one, then after it will select in the morning, then one should be unselected and select the 10 in the morning. So what I have done, when selection change in the morning, I have selected item set as the null in the afternoon and the evening. Okay, and same in the afternoon. If anyone select in the afternoon, I set selected item from the morning and the evening to the null. And same in the evening, when user select the time from the evening, I have selected null to the selected item of the morning and afternoon collection. Okay, and I have set here data to the calendar selected item. I have, means you can use selected item of the calendar, and you will can get date from the date type. Okay, you can get here data dot date time. See, you can get here date time. Okay, so you can use this date time or any data. Hope you understand this video. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and please share your feedback that you like this video or not. So I will I will know that what I have to improve. Okay, so please share this video, please like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.